closure from the last one.
All right, you guys, I am back home. I'm gonna get ready to go. They just called me to notify me about my 4-day pairing. So I am pretty much good up here. I just need to brush my teeth and finish packing my bag real quick. I just really have to add my contact lens case into my luggage and just pack my equipment so I can edit on the go. Because, you know, I'm trying to be consistent, you guys. So, excuse me, I just ate. But yeah, let me go ahead and do that. This one smells so good. Definitely got to put that in the toiletry bag. So yeah, this is like all the stuff I really be needing to edit, honestly. And I have my contact case. Never forget to pack your contact case, you guys, because when you forget, I swear I've done some crazy things to take off my contacts and store them away previously. So now I never forget to pack my contact case.
You think that what we're fighting about is stupid. Just cause you don't agree don't mean it's stupid. Lately communication feels so useless. If we don't got that obsessive love, then what are we doing? I don't ask for much from you. It's like you don't got the time to lose. Make me feel like I'm a burden when I tell you how I'm hurting. No, you just say you're sorry to say you did. I ain't over it. So let me take my time and talk my shit till I'm over it. Ooh, if you don't want the heat, you should act right. I'll be talking about you in a past time. When you say you're sorry, it don't mean shit till I'm over it. Until I'm over it, yeah. I think my feelings have changed. I'm feeling some type of way. You might have just pushed me away. You fucked up forever cause I just wanted some time with you. Something you never had the time to do. Made me feel like I'm a burden when I tell you how I'm hurting. No, you just say you're sorry to say you did. I ain't over it. So let me take my time and talk my shit till I'm over it. You should act right. I'll be talking about you in a past time. When you say you're sorry, it don't mean shit till I'm over it. Until I'm over it, yeah. Just say you're sorry to say you did. I ain't over it. So let me take my time and talk my shit till I'm over it. Ooh, if you don't want the heat, you should act right. I'll be talking about you in a past time. When you say you're sorry, it don't mean shit till I'm over it. Until I'm over it, yeah.
Grand Rising, babes. As you can see, I made it to the Fort Lauderdale layover. I'm super excited, you guys, because today we are going to have a beach day and we're going to eat some good old Mexican food. I've been wanting this authentic Mexican food out here for the longest. If you guys know, you know. Fort Lauderdale is just a whole vibe. It can be. So I'm just here to enjoy this layover and really experience the city. Now I'm in my Uber. I've gotten ready. I have my beach bag with me and stuff. I'm just going over to get the authentic Mexican food I was telling you guys about. It is just so freaking good. Oh my gosh. So I'm on the way to grab lunch. And then after eating, we are going to hit the beach.